This giraffe is named Spotty because he has spots on him, and you know what I like about him? Because it's a finger giraffe, and I love finger giraffes because it's not so easy to make. So if you want to make this, just watch a video or just watch my videos. It's not going to be easy if you just do a finger giraffe. So follow me. Hold your little ring finger and already folded so you can see it, and then let's draw an outline. And then, now let's draw with this marker. Take a marker and make the outline very, very dark. Now let's do the eyes. And here's its mouth. And let me watch their noses. Giraffes have patches. Remember, it's okay to make a mistake. This one is a little bit bigger than this one, so I'm going to make the one on the left a little bit bigger. And then I'll copy it with this. And this one. Let me make this one a little bit bigger too. There, that's okay? If it's too big, that's okay, because you remember what I said. If you make a mistake, it's okay.